Do you think that we can buy anything? If yes, you are wrong. Because there are lots of things we cannot buy. Especially those things we cannot survive without. As breathing air, sun rays, and the fruits that we get from the trees without paying them. Dear students, it is very important to understand the importance of those things that we get free from this environment. Yes, it is good to have money and the things it can buy. But the most precious thing in life, money just cannot buy. We can buy amusements, but not happiness. Food, but not appetite. We can buy bed, but not sleep. We can buy companions, but not friends. We can buy just a house, but not home. So it's very important to understand the importance of those things. Those are precious. Guys, कहा गया है हिंदी में कि कुछ इस कदर मसरूफ हुए हम अपनी जिंदगी में कि दौलत पे हिसाब रही और सुकून छिन गया। कुछ इस कदर मसरूफ हुए हम अपनी जिंदगी में कि दौलत पे हिसाब रही और सुकून छिन गया। शायद समझ न सके हम उस रब के इशारे को, शायद समझ न सके हम उस रब के इशारे को। जिंदगी अधूरी रही और मौत मुकम्मल हो गया। So please try to understand the importance of the precious things of our life. Thank you.